What's up guys, Carlo here, welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited because we finally have a mystery box again. This is the 10,000 peso or $200 gadget back to school mystery box from poundit.com. So watch until the very end of the video because we're about to give away a mystery box for one of you. So it's not just me, Lea, Jamie, or whoever vlogger out there is who gets to do a mystery box unboxing. Even one of you can actually get to do that. So make sure that you guys watch until the very end. And by the way, we're also giving away our Redmi Note 7 in cooperation with, of course, UNBOX PH. So make sure that you guys check out the mechanics to that particular giveaway. Details can be found down below in the description box. So here we have the 10,000 peso, $200 pounded back to school mystery box. Comes in your typical brown carton box which says here unbox me and poundit.com. So we'll open this up, but for this particular episode, I have special guests. So it won't be me who will actually be unboxing this for now. It will be Jamie and Lea from UNBOX PH. So guys, take it away.
Hey guys, what's happening? Jamie here from Unbox.
Hi, I'm Lea.
So we're gonna be doing a mystery box unboxing on Carlo's channel. Back to school stuff. Let's get right into it.
Alright.
Go. It's not your usual push dagger.
No, it's not, but it's actually sharper.
Okay. Okay, that means I have to sharpen that knife. Okay, let's tear it into I'm gonna be impatient and tear the tape na lang and see what's in this thing.
Here.
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Power!
Hulk style unboxing has failed.
No! I'm still sick.
Let me do it. Let me do it. There.
Hindi ko siya ikakat kasi ang saya. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, okay.
Okay. Ooh.
It's a bunch of stuff here. This is what, $200 worth of stuff? 10,000
Yeah.
pesos worth of stuff? So,
Back to school.
go ahead.
Alright. Okay, so the first thing that we have here is a wireless, Bluetooth speaker from JBL.
This is the Clip 3. So actually, this is the first time I'm seeing this. The Clip speakers from JBL actually won a lot of awards because of the design and because, again, they're easy to clip on your bag. So if you're going to school, your backpack, you can easily clip this on. Yeah.
And I can see it's IPX7 waterproof, so you can really take this out to your beach with you to beach trips, pool parties, whatever.
Actually, not even that. It's almost the rainy season, so if you're going to school,
That's right.
perfect for you. So you have
Right,
tunes.
what am I thinking? Party, but
Yeah.
you guys study hard. Anyway. Sorry, oops, the age is showing. Anyway, and it's good for 10 hours of playtime. So here it is.
Yeah, JBL Clip 3. First thing in the box. Let's move on to the next thing. I will just tear this. Siguro naman, my Hulk style won't fail me anymore because paper lang to. Ooh, okay. So this is also actually very handy if you're going back to school that you can take with you in your everyday carry. This is the 4-port 40-watt adaptive charging USB wall charger from Okey. I hope I'm saying that brand right. Okey? Okay. Okay. Let's move on. So it's a 4-port wall charger. Again, adaptive charging. So if you have a lot of gadgets like your phone, again, the Clip 3, your power bank, if you need to charge and you forgot to charge before you slept because you were doing your homework, this is the thing to bring. Very small. So again, it'll fit in your backpack, no problem. Move on.
Move on.
Next.
This one is. What is this?
This is a. Maybe I'll unpack one thing while you're unpacking the other, so we can.
While. I'm
so there's
sorry.
less dead air.
Okay, we have a multi-purpose travel electronic accessory organizer pouch. So yeah, this is perfect for like your wires, your cables, just so it's not all over your bag.
Yes.
So
Perfect.
Perfect. Oh, and if you have, it even has slots for your cards, for money.
Okay.
Very practical.
So this is perfect kasi if you're gonna go from your bag to maybe like if you're gonna travel with your parents or if with your friends, you can easily just slip it out of your backpack that you use for, again, your everyday carry to school, then put that in your travel backpack, no problem. At least you won't forget anything.
Yeah.
Or at least not
it lessens
everything.
the chances
Yeah.
of you leaving stuff at home.
Okay, so next thing is, it's very common to see like a power bank in your everyday carry, but again, you're going back to school, you might forget to charge your phone or you might want to provide your crush with, you know, battery life. Diba? So, again,
Is that your
this is...
style?
Well, hindi pa the power banks weren't all the rage back when I was in college, but yeah.
I will just Can I just say, I was in Starbucks the other day and I saw a guy use a power bank as a pickup line.
See?
So the guy went up, so the girl was trying to look for like a plug. All the plugs were well occupied. So one of the guys in the room went to the lady and offered the power bank. And they ended up having coffee. So,
Ooh.
power bank.
See, you just want to be prepared. What if your crush is running around and like, at least you're there. Hey, power? I don't know. Don't use that power. Don't use that line though.
You did not hear it from us.
Anyway.
This one is perfect for the rainy season. So it's an umbrella. So it's automatic. Never leave it at home. Never get soaked.
But what's special about it? Is that one of those
It's all the automatic
things?
ones. Yeah, that like the one you have, and then you just it retracts and closes
okay.
with just a button. So there, umbrella.
Okay. Again, something you should have in your everyday carry, especially for student. It is a SanDisk Ultra Flare USB 3.0 drive. That's 128 gigabytes. USB 3.0 faster transfer rates. Very, very important because some of the file sizes nowadays can be pretty huge.
Yeah.
And then again, files, if you just want to copy notes from your friend's laptop, kasi that's how you do it nowadays. I mean, again, it wouldn't hurt if you're, again, store your projects and stuff like that. I can see why you wouldn't want to put this in your everyday carry. What do you have?
This is 2-in-1 by Habit. It's the 2-section connector with lightning and micro ports. So
Perfect to pair with this or your Anchor power bank.
there you go. So it really goes well.
Yeah. So,
I just can't help but think if you're bringing everything to school every day, this can be heavy.
yes, it can be heavy, but
But you
You
gotta
never
do what you
know.
gotta do. You gotta be
fast charging
prepared.
with. Wow, okay.
I can't
Ooh.
wait.
Wow, this one's
Look at
huge. Okay.
Oh wow.
It's the last thing in the box. It's okay.
What is it?
It's yeah. It's a backpack.
Oh, there you go. I want.
Speaking of carrying everything. Wow.
Yay.
Wow. She really helped out on this one.
Yeah, I
Okay.
did.
Okay.
It's. This is nice.
Yeah.
Yep,
Wait.
it's a backpack, urban lifestyle. Yeah, it is from Xiaomi. And I suppose you have a slot for. I wonder if they can still see it. For.
Yeah. So you have pretty much slots for everything you're gonna need to bring for school nowadays. So you have a laptop sleeve. If you have a tablet, there's a separate slot for that. There's actually a lot of nice compartments to keep
Yeah,
things
for your-
organized. And yeah, I actually seen this. Many of our tech blogger friends use this bag, and
It's durable.
it's durable.
Okay.
I mean, I've seen it through multiple coverages in the Philippines and abroad, and yeah, pretty good laptop bag. And if I'm not mistaken, it's also very affordable. I think it's like 2,000 or less pa. So yeah, it's pretty good laptop bag for your everyday needs.
Okay, so to recap, everything that we got from this mystery box, we have a JBL Clip 3 speaker,
The 4-port 40-watt adaptive charging USB wall charger from Okey,
this automatic umbrella,
the Anchor power bank,
this organizer for all your cables,
the 2-in-1 cable for your power bank or your 4-port wall charger,
what else do you have
the
there?
USB 3.0 SanDisk Ultra Flare flash drive, 128 gigabytes.
And of course, this backpack from Xiaomi. Okay, so if you're interested in these items or if you want to have your own mystery box, check out poundit.com. We will leave the link down below. So there, we will give you back to Carlo.
So thanks Jamie and Lea for that, for helping out with the unboxing. So guys, I mentioned to you that I will let you guys unbox your own mystery box. That was a bit of well, not kind of lie, because the raffle is actually the entire mystery box. We kind of did the unboxing for you guys already. One winner will get everything that we just unboxed from this box. So you get the speakers, you get the umbrella, you get the charger, the power bank, so you can, you know, use it as a pickup line or whatever. Oh, and by the way, since it is the rainy season, for all the gentlemen watching this video, you should always have an umbrella. Not just for yourself, but if ever you're with a lady. It's the same reason why you should always have 2 handkerchiefs in your pocket. One for you, one if you are with a lady friend who needs a handkerchief. You should always offer clean handkerchiefs. Sorry, that's my pet peeve. I hate it when guys offer dirty handkerchiefs to women. So annoying. So always have 2 handkerchiefs and always have an umbrella if it's rainy season. But anyway, enough of Tito Carlo. So again, we are going to raffle away the entire mystery box to one of you guys. So how to join? Number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, subscribe to UNBOX PH. The link to that channel can be found down below. That's the channel where Lea and Jamie are at. So if you guys want to see more tech videos, make sure to subscribe to them and watch the videos that they have up on that channel. And number 3, just comment down below with the hashtag UnboxPH and share your best pickup line. So, share your best pickup line. Just something that I came up with. Anyway, so share your best pickup line, put your IG handle, and the hashtag UnboxPH. We will draw the winner next Sunday, June 16, which is Father's Day, together with the other raffle that we're doing with the Redmi Note 7. So that's it for now, guys. Peace. God bless. What's up? Parang malaking lens eh. Boom!